Hello viewers, welcome back. Today in this lesson we are going to learn what are toolbars, what is their functions, what are different kinds of toolbars are present in MT4. Okay, so you must be familiar with this portion of MT4, MetaTrader 4 icon based system. So this portion of MT4, this is called as toolbars. Okay, we have four toolbars which are separated from each other by dotted lines, which I am going to explain each of them with full explanation. Okay, so what is toolbar? Toolbar is basically icon based system like Microsoft application. So it consists of icon based system present in MT4, and basically it allows all the important MT4 functions for any trader to perform. Okay, alright. So now we will see different types of toolbars. What are different types of toolbars? There are four types of toolbars in MT4. First one is standard toolbar. Second one is chart toolbar. Third one is periodicity toolbar. Fourth one is line study toolbar. Now we are going to learn every toolbar with full explanation, and we will discuss every part present in every kind of toolbar. Okay, so this was the explanation of toolbars and its type. Okay, thank you.